Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand MongoDB data model, CRUD operations and its distributed system characteristics. So this is a very important question for exam point of view. So let's start with MongoDB. So MongoDB is a NoSQL document database designed to store large amounts of semi-structured data. Instead of table, it stores data in the form of documents. Now let us understand MongoDB data model. So the basic unit is a document. Documents are stored in BSN format, which is a binary form of JSON. Each documents contain key values pair. So next we have collections. So a collection is a group of related documents similar to a table in a relation database. But here there is a no fixed schema, so different documents can have a different structure, and each document has a unique field called ID which act like a primary key. Now let's move to the CRUD operation. So CRUD stands for the create, read, update and the delete. Create is used to insert new document into a collection. Read is used to retrieve data using find queries, and update is used to modify the existing document. And delete is used to remove document from the collection. These operations are using JSON-like syntax, which makes them easy to understand. Now let us discuss distributed system characteristics. So MongoDB is designed for high scalability and the availability. Now first one is replication. So MongoDB uses replica set where one primary node handles writes and secondary nodes replicate the data. Second one is sharing. Data is divided across multiple servers using a shared key which helps in horizontal scaling. Third one is atomicity. Single documents operations are atomic and multi-document transactions are also supported. Fourth one is read and write strategy. So in this we can write go to the primary nodes while reads can be from the primary or secondary nodes. MongoDB follows eventual consistency. Now next one is Mongoose. So in Mongoose, it acts as a query router that direct request to the correct data. So finally in the conclusion we can say that MongoDB provides a flexible data model, simple CRUD operation and strong distributed features like replication and the sharing. So like that you have to write in the examination along with the proper diagram which I given to you, and along with the proper explanation to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.